Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about GPAT 2024 MCQ. The question is, coating of Utrazit Ne400 on tablet is done to prepare. Okay. So, what is the Utrazit first? You know that Utrazit is the one type of the polymer. Okay. And it is the chemically polymer of with acrylic acid. Okay. And here Utrazit itself, it is saying they causes the drug. R means religious, A means at GIT. So Utrazit, this polymer causes the drug religious at GIT. So this is the primary purpose of the Utrazit. We have the many types of the Utrazit. So this we can classify into two types. One is the pH dependent Utrazit. Other one is the pH independent Utrazit. So pH dependent again divided into two types. One is the anionic Utrazit. Other one is the cationic Utrazit. What are the anionic Utrazit? How to remember? So here we have the two Utrazit L, Utrazit S. In the cationic Utrazit, we are having the Utrazit E, Utrazit EPO. Sir, how to remember this thing? It is very simple. You can remember this way. LS means lose the positive charge. If they are losing the positive charge, means they are belongs to the negative. Okay. Whereas Utrazit E and EPO, E means excess. Excess positive. Okay. Lose the positive, anionic, LS. E means excess positive. Okay. That is how you can simple way remember. The next thing, Utrazit L and S. L means you can remember like a lower pH. Lower pH means this polymer dissolve pH above 6. Okay. And S means stronger pH. So this polymer dissolve pH above 7. So this is what the Utrazit L and S. Coming to the Utrazit E, EPO. Name itself suggesting EPO, they are for the protection. These polymers for the protection. Cationic polymers for the protection. Protection of what? E means cationic, PO means protection. Protection for what? Yes, protection from the moisture. If you want to protect from the moisture, you can coat with the Utrazit E or EPO, or protection from the light. So protection from the moisture and light, we can give the coating. Not only this one, even we can use for the taste masking and odor masking. We can use the Utrazit E and EPO. Coming to the pH independent Utrazit. What are the pH independent Utrazit? They are neutral Utrazits. In their name contains the Ne, like Utrazit Ne. This is the neutral Utrazit. Or else in their name they contain is the Utrazit RS or RL. Mainly remember RS, that is for the sustained release. Utrazit Ne neutral, Utrazit RS. These both are for the sustained release. If I want to prepare the sustained release tablet, I can use the Utrazit Ne, Utrazit RS. It is very simple. Now, what is the question? In the question, Utrazit Ne. Ne means what type of the polymer? They are saying Utrazit Ne means neutral polymer. Is for the buccal tablets? No, not buccal tablets. So buccal tablets, we want to attach the tablet to the buccal. For that purpose, we use the most common agent, carbapol. Carbapol we use it. Carbapol is the bioadhesive agent to keep the tablet attached to the buccal. Okay. Now coming to the sublingual tablet. What is the most common ingredient used in the sublingual tablet? Answer is the mannitol or the sorbitol. Mannitol or the sorbitol, they produces the cooling sensation. Okay. Even we use it in the chewable tablets also. Immediate release tablet. For getting the immediate release, fast release, we want the super disintegrants. Super disintegrant, they facilitate the faster breaking of the tablet. Super fast breaking, so that the drug will release quickly, immediately release. For that purpose, we use the one of the famous super disintegrant like a crospovidone. Crospovidone. So what is the remaining? Control release tablet, Udrazit NE400. This is for making the control release tablet or sustained release tablets. Okay, so this is what the question asked in the year of GPAT 2024. You can remember all the properties, very simple. So Udrazit LS, LS means lose the positive, indirectly negative. Cationic, so cationic, E means excess positive. So positive cationic polymer. EPO, excess positive for protection. Protection of the what? Moisture, light, taste and odor. The next one, pH independent, they are the neutral. Udrazit Ne means neutral, RS means sustained release. These for the sustained release, control release purpose we use it. Okay. So this is what all about the discussion. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much.